You're trying to stream or simply download movies on Netflix and suddenly you realize that the resolution is fairly lower. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can fix the Netflix video quality on your phone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. How to fix Netflix quality on your phone. So you're watching Netflix and you notice that it is in a fairly lower resolution. Let's say you're downloading some episodes, and after download you again notice that it is on a very low and very poor quality resolution. And sometimes that could simply be the issue with the internet connection, because Netflix actually automatically adjusts depending upon the speed of the internet connection. However, the other factor could also be because of the plan you are currently at. For example, the basic plan only has up to 480 pixels of standard plan, and the standard plan offers you up to 720p or sometimes 1080p, and the premium ultra HD plan actually offers you up to 4K, which is the ultra UHD plan, which you can use. And you have to simply check what plan you are using. But first of all, I will simply show you a way on how you can hopefully fix that. So I will go ahead and let's say I open Netflix, for example, and I will go ahead and open up my profile, and I will tap on the profile icon on the top right, and I will select app settings. Let's say that you're trying to actually download it. What you can do is you can say download video quality. You can tap on it and then you can select the option which says high. So go ahead and select the option which says high right over here. And that would simply mostly fix the issue, and you can also choose to download with Wi-Fi or your data and so on. But let's say that you're actually not being able to fix the issue even while streaming and so on. You have to simply upgrade your plan in that case. So I will go ahead and then open up the Chrome browser, because in order to change the plan you would simply need to log in from your browser as well. Once you go to netflix.com, log into your Netflix account on which you're having the issue, and then tap on the three horizontal lines which you see at the very top left corner. As you tap on it, you'll find the option which is account, so select this one which says account. As soon as you select account, you'll basically see all of these options. You have to actually scroll down and find the option which says change plan. You can see currently I'm using the standard, and the standard plan does not actually support 4K. So if you're trying to stream on 4K, you need to actually upgrade it to the maximum premium ultra HD plan. So for example, you have the basic plan which only offers you 480 pixels. You cannot watch videos or download them in more than 480 pixels. You can see the current plan which offers you only up to standard of, let's say, 1080 pixels, 720, 1080p and so on. And the premium ultra HD plan offers you up to 4K. So you can tap on the continue button if you're trying to stream on 4K and see if your issue has been fixed. Hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. I hope this video answered your question, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.